Good morning everybody, my name is John of JWH Millinery and welcome to Countdown to Christmas. And I think I said that wrong, but hopefully I didn't. I actually do need to wear my glasses. I have noticed that there's a bit of glare in my glasses, but I do need glasses and I need my ring light to make me look somewhat decent. What day are we on? We're on day 6. Day 6. Not long to go to Christmas. How are you getting on with your Christmas shopping? How are you getting on with your Christmas dinner prep? But we are... Oh, I've lost a bow. No. I've lost 2 bows. Well, we've got day 6 with just one measly bow. I should have learned after yesterday, actually. So what is... Ooh! Oh, look at that shine. Oh my word. Now, for those of you that have been with me a very long time, oh, what have we got in here? Oh, that's just saying what it is. Chunky glitter fabric A4 sheet. So for those of you that have been with me for a while, you may remember me using this type of fabric in my very first video. Was it my first video? Yeah, it was the black and gold cosmic inspired pillbox, and ooh, yeah, and I used the black version of this. How nice is that? Oh, that is just gorgeous. And in this light, so I've got a ring light just here. It looks really pretty. So that's gonna look really nice with, and oh yeah, maybe not the rose gold, take that out, but they will look really nice. Why can't you see that? Hang on. That's gonna look really nice together. So maybe we can do something with these. I don't know. So yes, oh, I love this piece. This has been my favourite so far. So day 6, question of the day. Karen asks, what do I want for Christmas? World peace, no Brexit. Neither of them are going to happen. I'd settle for an Alexander McQueen bag. There's a really nice one that I have been hinting at, but I know I'm not going to get it because I never get anything like that. What do I want for Christmas? I don't actually know. Maybe some more, maybe a new computer. Yeah, probably a new computer. But I'm probably going to get a mug. Not that I'm disrespectful to my boyfriend, but he buys me mugs every year. And they're cute. They're cute. And they're always quite funny and very apt. Like, has anybody seen my basic bitch mug? Yeah, he likes a good mug. I haven't really put much thought into it. I'll be happy with whatever I get. Well, happy with whatever I get. But then I'll probably judge him against what I buy, because that's just what you do in relationships. No, I won't really. No, I don't know. You know, ideally something that I can use to help me with YouTube, like a new computer, maybe a softbox. You know, so if you haven't decided the other Mr. Westwood Hill, then take note. There's a nice softbox set on Amazon now. I can easily add to my wish list. So yeah, that's kind of what I would like for Christmas. Other than that, I ain't really that fussed. I mean, I'm just happy to, yeah, I know it sounds soppy and everything, but I'm just happy to have somewhere to live, a job that pays the bills, and somebody that loves me. So, you know, I'm happy with that. That's all I really need. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for watching this far. If you have got this far, comment in down below. So it's the 6th, 19 days to go. And make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. We're uploading videos every day in December at 8 AM UK time. See you tomorrow. Bye.